Wow. Hey bunnies, before we begin the video, please go and grab yourself a drink. I am drinking Ray and Nephew's Gold Rum. This is the first time I'm seeing it inside of my Walmart liquor store. I'm drinking this with Coke. So rum and Coke essentially, but it's the Ray and Nephew Gold Rum version and it tastes so good. Not as good as Appleton because Appleton will forever be the holy grail rum for me, but it's a close second. It's more gold than a red. Like the Appleton is like a reddish brown color. This is definitely gold. Like they say, it's a gold rum and it's made by Ray and Nephew, one of Jamaica's largest rum distillers. No, but seriously, go get your drink and then come back. So based on the title, we're going to be talking about head again. So you want to get some head. Let's start this topic off with my first time receiving head. Now the first time I ever received head was from this boy who apparently had either a wife or a girlfriend and a daughter, but they were in Africa and I guess he was lonely and and he wanted to nab my cooch. I was like, all right, fine. This is me at like probably like 18 years old, 17, 18, and I didn't know nothing about shaving. I didn't know nothing about nothing at all, pretty much. Like I wouldn't say a late bloomer, but I was pretty much a late bloomer when it came on to certain things. I experienced things with girls before I experienced them with guys. He was down there and whatever, and it was, you know, it was nice. It was a little ting. This was my first experience getting head. I didn't know what to expect and what not to expect. And based from then on, I learned some things. I learned that when giving head, you don't want to be too rough. He said I was kind of rough and he didn't want me to do it to him at all, but he just wanted to stay down there and munch on my carpet. The second thing, you might not want to have a big old 1970s bush going on down there. Clean it up so that it's easier for your partner to see what they're doing and know what they're doing and know where they're going, essentially. You want to make sure that you're nice and fresh and clean and, you know, again, don't put any soap in your twat. Make sure that whatever you're using, if it's not pure water, it's something that your gynecologist has recommended for you or something that has like all natural ingredients in there. You don't want to put too many chemicals in your twat because where am I going with this? Your vagina is a self-cleaning machine. And I've said this in previous videos. Your vagina cleans itself. You don't want to put anything up inside of the vagina. The only place you want to really clean is the outside part, the labia majora. I think it's called the menorah. I'm not sure. That might be a Jewish thing. Don't quote me on that. I'm so rusty. I'm kind of tipsy. Yeah. So warm water, some of your little fingers, spread your lips clean there, because when the good bacteria is pushing out the bad bacteria, it stays right there. You know, it's right there on your lips. So you gotta clean it up a little bit. Make sure that you're nice and fresh and sweet. Make sure that what your diet consists of something, you know, nice and light and not too much red meat, because what you eat does affect the way you taste. Believe it or not. I'm not saying go out there and only eat pineapple juice, only eat pineapples, only drink pineapple juice, but have a nice balanced diet, because what you eat is who you are, is what you eat. What you eat is who you are. That makes sense. So if every day you sit down and eat junk food all the time, all these burgers, all this red meat, all this you're gonna taste like junk food and burgers and no, nobody don't want that. Everybody want to taste nice and fresh and juicy. So fruits, vegetables, a lot of water. You know, a drink or two won't hurt, but you want to make sure that you do everything in moderation. Yes, of course, you can have a slice of pizza now and then. I should know I love myself some pizza. But at the same time, you need to balance it out with a nice salad or some fruits or something, or, you know, a fish, whatever. Just to make sure that you taste really good for your partner. Now guys, don't think I've forgotten about you, okay? Make sure that you're grooming your little selves. Nobody no wants up on the hairy balls. Make sure that you are either shaving or trimming the hair around there, because I know you want your girl to deep throat. You want balls all down her throat and all that stuff. Make sure that you are clean and nice and shaved and trimmed down there, okay? We can listen. Your thing might be an outside thing, you think might be outside. Your penis might be all out and whatever, but your balls do sweat. Especially if you have hairy balls, the hair, the sweat stays to the hair, and we can smell it. If you smell funky, nobody not gonna want to suck your penis. Like, no, go take a shower, shave your balls, trim your pubes, whatever it is that you need to do, and come back smelling good. I'm not saying, and do not be out there all day sweating and all this stuff and then sprinkle baby powder down there and think that's gonna help. No, you're gonna have clumps of white stuff on your pubes just hanging there and expecting somebody, girl pitney or boy pitney, to want to be going down on you. No, you need to make sure that you shower, you're fresh, you're nice. Use either the Irish Spring, your Old Spice, your Dove, your Axe, whatever it is that you want to use and smell good for your partner. Men have the luxury of using whatever they want. Yeah, of using whatever they want on their private parts. So you can smell as sweet or as musky or as masculine or as feminine as you want. Use all the sweet stuff or whatever it is that you want to use on your junk to make sure that your partner enjoys what they smell. For us girls now, it's a little bit, a little bit harder than that. And we can't use all of the perfume stuff. Cooch doesn't smell like flowers. Boys, you just have to accept that. Not all of us are comfortable using the scented panty or scented pads. We just don't want that. A lot of us are too sensitive to use those things. Okay? And girls, stop putting Dove in your cooch. Dove is not a product that's supposed to go in your cooch. Soap is not meant to go into the cooch. Stop putting soap in your cooch. Stop. You're gonna kill yourself. Then you wonder why you have yeast infection every week. Stop it. Stop. Take it from someone who's never had a yeast infection and proud to say that. Stop put soap in your pom pom. Okay? Okay. This takes me to my next point. Make sure that you're getting regular checkups at your gynecologist, at your doctor, whatever. This is for both boys and girls. You want to make sure, if you notice that you have extra discharge that's darker, that's funkier than usual, it doesn't have that regular vagina musk. You have a healthy vagina smell and an unhealthy vagina smell. Most, if not all vaginas, I don't know what all vaginas do, have discharge throughout the day. Usually it's clearer, it has an odor, yes, but it's not like fish. If it smells like fish, something wrong. Your pum pum if it smell like fish. That's not a normal smell. Don't let anybody tell you that a fishy vagina is a healthy vagina, because it's not. Your pum pum if it smell like fish. Okay, if you smell like fish, go to your doctor. It's possible you have a yeast infection or some kind of STD. Please do not be afraid to talk to your doctor. Something does not seem right. And don't take my word for gospel either, because a lot of you might have a yeast infection, and because it doesn't smell or you don't have a certain color discharge, you think you're fine. You might not be fine. Your pH levels might be off. Talk to your doctor. Do not take what I'm saying for gospel. Talk to your doctor. They know more than I do. When it comes to doctors, I prefer guys over girls. That's just me. Whatever you want to do, go ahead and do that. But I feel like if you don't have a doctor already, this is from my personal experience, the guys, they're gentler in a sense. They make you feel more comfortable. I've never had a female gyno who was, I don't know, I can't explain it, but I feel more comfortable around guy. And the older guy, the older the gyno, the better. With age comes wisdom. I prefer the old old man gynecologist who's seen every single vagina in the world and knows what a healthy vagina is supposed to do and look like. Boys, is the same thing with you. If you notice that when you climax it looks weird, your girlfriend says it tastes weird, if you're not getting as hard as you used to, if it's really limp, if you can't get hard, if you're not getting hard long enough, if you're coming too fast, don't be afraid to talk to your doctor. These are things that I'm pretty sure all guys go through at some points in their lives. Okay, if you come stink, you're not supposed to stink. You come not supposed to have no smell. All right, if you want your cum to taste better, again, change your diet. Just like the girls, change your diet. Eat clean, eat healthier. Have a balance, but best you have a balanced diet. If you're going to eat steak, make sure you have some vegetables with it. Coming from somebody who hates vegetables, eat your vegetables, eat your fruits, eat healthy. You can't expect somebody to want to suck your dick or eat your pum pum and taste good or smell good. Okay? Now I have like 1 or 2 videos about not letting porn during a sex life. At the same time, take some tips from what the porn stars are doing. How you see them sucking a dick, how you see them sucking a poo-poo. Try to take a couple pages from them and try to put that into your bedroom. Put that in your private life, in your sex sessions, and see how that works for you. In my previous video when we talked about head, I'm like, every person is different, every body is different. You have to know, you have to talk to your partner to see what he or she likes. Okay? But you can incorporate some new things by watching what they do in porn and, you know, replicating that. Not every single thing you see in porn though you should try to do, because a lot of it is made up and there's highfalutin or whatever. So take your time, see what he or she likes, and go from there. But you need to make sure that if you want somebody, if you want somebody, boy pitney or girl pitney, go down on you, you smell good and you taste good. You can't just expect, oh, we're married, oh, we're dead, oh, you don't pay your period, so you have to give it, you have to. No, 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 no. Come correct. Okay? You want somebody to go down on you? Come correct. Alright? If you have any questions for me, leave them in the comment section below. If you feel like I should have mentioned something that I didn't mention, leave it in the comment section below. I'm talking really fast right now, and this drink tastes so good. Again, there is a bell. When you subscribe, there's a bell down there somewhere. I don't even know where the bell is, but click the bell, because if I'm not showing up in your subscription feed, if you don't remember when I upload my videos every Sunday and Wednesdays, please click the bell so you can be notified. I want to have a notification squad. For my regular viewers, thank you so much for watching. For my new viewers, thank you so much for watching. Until next time, peace sign and kissy face. Bye. You're like in the throes of it and she's like really hot. Ice is like a great tool in all aspects. Like imagine just running it down her cleavage, down her stomach, belly button, then all the way down to her cooch. Like, oh yes.